Scum. You mix with bad man, you live with bad man, you walk and you talk with bad man and una law. Uno behave like the law belong to Uno.
When you hear that, my viewers, so Kaylan mother talk up a bag of things. I say she expose Peter Champagnie. But when me woulda like for know, a Peter Champagnie make she can't get justice for her daughter all now. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So my people, I make you listen to this, and then after we are gonna talk about this, You see me?
I have not spoken on these things. These are facts, things women know. These are things that I know. I'm friend them. The girl them family member and Champagnie a friend. That's why I'm representing them. No. When it suits you, you're gonna say you nah represent bad man will kill your friend. But when it suits you, you're gonna represent bad man because them are your friend. But me have one thing for tell you now. 4 years now. December we in a. November gone. 4 full years. My child in a wheelchair. 4 full years. Our life changed permanently. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to say permanently because nobody is bigger than God. Nothing is bigger than my God. God has taken her from nothing to a whole lot. And I'm upset because when I look on this man, I go release a statement say, him know Barbara Gale. And him not gonna represent the boy will kill Barbara Gale because him know Barbara Gale. No, I am not discrediting this woman's life or her accolades or accomplishments or her affiliates. None of that is what I'm speaking about. No. Champagnie, you're scum. Scum. You mix with bad man, you live with bad man, you walk and you talk with bad man and una law. Uno behave like the law belong to Uno. You are a shame and disgrace. Me, Venetia, says so. And you know what's the saddest thing about this? You have children. Everybody jump up Kaylan shouldn't their party and Kaylan got illegal party. The party was not breaking curfew. As a matter of fact, make we stick up in there. All the party keep and police there. Talk about that. Party a keep, a break curfew, police is there. Why police never lock up the illegal party?
When you hear that, my viewers, so make we talk about that one, Kaylan mother dey on the media talk up a bag of things. Say she expose Champagnie and the justice system. And we can hear it, say she angry. But how you gonna get justice if you have burn out the justice system and one of the top lawyers them in Jamaica? How it a 3 year now and our daughter not get justice yet? Remember the girl them we do this thing here, get bail and their road, My people set a way about you, and she not gonna get justice that way, by a call up a bag of people name, As I say, we hear it in her voice, say she angry, and we know say she want justice for her daughter, but the way how she go about this thing, this is not the right way, me I tell you now. So my people, tell me who no think, and me go lift up you now, and before me take with myself, remember this Champagnie, all of this where she say it's allegedly, me no know if you are no gunman link, me no know about none of that. So before you start fling out lawsuit, remember me did say, all of this is allegedly. So my viewers, until next time, stay safe on road. You don't know the code, a life over death. You see me?